Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove starred places in Google Maps. If you've been using Google Maps for a while, you've probably saved quite a few locations over time, and now it's the perfect moment to clean up that list and keep only the places that truly matter to you. To get started, open your browser and head over to google.com/maps. Once the page loads, you'll be on the main Google Maps interface where you can search for locations and plan routes. For this task, we need to access your saved locations, so let's move to the next step. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Saved and click on it. This section is where Google Maps stores all the places you've bookmarked, organized into different lists for easy access. It's essentially your personal collection of locations you've marked as important or interesting. After clicking Saved, you'll see all your lists displayed. These might include categories like Want to Go, Favorites, or custom lists you've created. For our purpose today, click on Starred Places. This is the default list where Google Maps automatically saves any location you've starred on the map. It's often where most of your saved spots end up if you haven't organized them into other lists. Now you'll see all the places you've starred over time. Browse through this list and find the specific place you want to remove. Once you've located it, hover your mouse over that entry. As you do this, you'll notice that an X icon appears on the right side of that place. This is the delete button that allows you to remove the location from your starred list. Go ahead and click the X to delete it. The place will be removed immediately from your starred list. It's a quick and straightforward process, and you can repeat this for any other locations you want to clear out. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your starred places in Google Maps. Your list is now more organized and contains only the locations you actually need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.